Good evening. Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel Balal Language School. In this evening, I will discuss a very important subject matter in English. The name of this topic is part of speech. Now let's start to talk about this topic. Here I wrote part of speech. This is the name of topic, which means meaningful word used in the sentence is called part of speech. In broad sense, we are using different kind of words at the time of talking to each other or among the people, and we are using different words, clause, sentence, and every sentence bearing different meaning inside the sentence or in the sentence. When we use this word in the sentence, at the time this word are bearing different name, calling part of speech. So to know the different name of the word in the sentence, we have to understand the different name of part of speech. Here I wrote the part of speech are 8 in number. Means which words you are using in the sentence, they are divided into 8 parts, and I'm writing their name with example and definition. They are: first one is noun. In short language, noun means naming word. In details, a noun is a naming word used as a person, thing, place, or any other name in the sentence. When you are using different name in the sentence, at the time it is bearing 3 or 4 names in the sentence, or they can be person, things, place, or any other name which denoted the naming word is noun. Example: the flower is blooming in the garden. The flower is a naming word and it tells us about a name of a rose. And garden is also a noun because it tells us about place or arrangement, some things or trees in a definite place. And second one is pronoun. In short word which are being used instead of noun is called pronoun. In details, a pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Means which word we are using instead of this 4 item is called pronoun. Suppose Jahan is a girl and she lives in Chittagong. Jahan is a naming word. It tells us about noun, and instead of Jahan, at the rest of the sentence we are using she. She tells us about Jahan and she is being used instead of Jahan. So she is a pronoun. Third one is adjective. In short word, which word qualify the noun is called an adjective. In details, an adjective is a word used to modify or describe the meaning of noun or pronoun. Suppose Rafsan saw a beautiful girl roaming in Ramna Park. Here, beautiful is an adjective. It modifies the girl, and girl is a naming word or nominal word, and the word which modify the noun before placing noun, and the word which place before the noun and modify the noun or qualify the noun, at the time this word is called adjective. Here beautiful tells us about adjective and it is adjective word. And number 4, verb. Verb, in short word, verb is an action word. In details, a verb is a word used to express action or being in the sentence. Suppose a religious leader sent a message to his disciple. Here sent is a verb which is doing word and tells us about doing something. The religious leader sent a message. Sent is a doing word. He sent something to someone is an action word. It tells us about action is called an verbal word. And here you are seeing a lexical verb. A verb which gives both nominal or verbal meaning, as work, water. I work. Here work is a doing word. I do the work. Their work is a nominal word or noun. So, and water, I drink water and I water the garden. Drink water. Here water is a noun. I water the garden. Here water is verb. when the word or action word giving two meaning as a verb or noun. This is called lexical verb. Number 5, adverb. In short word, adverbs which qualify the verb, adjective or adverb. In details, an adverb is a word used to modify the meaning of verb, adjective or another adverb. Suppose he speaks fluently. Here, speak is a verb. Fluently modify the verb speak, and it tells us about the condition of speaking. So it is adverb. He is very beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. Before adjective, we have used very. Very is an adverb which qualify the adjective. Now 6 number is a preposition. In short word, preposition which join the sentence with a noun. In details, a preposition is a word placed before a noun to form a relation with verb or another noun or pronoun. Suppose a farmer sat under a palm tree. Here, a palm tree is a noun and sat is a verb. Farmer is also a noun. This verb and noun has been related with the palm tree object or noun by the word preposition under. So this tells us about preposition, and it is prepositional word. 7 number is a conjunction. In short word, conjunction means conjunct, means to join each other. A conjunction is a word used to join word, phrase, clause or sentences. Means these kinds of items will be conjoined at the time of talking or writing something. Suppose I wrote an example here. Smith is a dirty boy, but beauty in his smile. So here Smith is a dirty boy. This is sentence, and another sentence is here. The another sentence is converted into phrase. So this phrase are being conjoined with the previous word by the word but. Here but is a conjunction. And 8 number, interjection. Interjection means astonishing word, or to give astonishing something at the time of talking. Here I wrote a definition. An interjection is a word used to express an emotion or sudden feelings. Example, wow, are you crazy? Here, wow gives us astonishing something before talking. So this word is interjection. And here another word, ops. Ops means something wrong here at the time we are using these types of word, hurrah, and at the time of joy we are using these types of word, and after using this word we are using astonishing marks. By this way we have learned about part of speech or the words which are being used in the sentence. We have known the name of this word, and later on we will discuss about the different topics which are inside the part of speech. Stay with me and try to learn English grammar, English to English. I hope you have enjoyed this class so much, and thank you very much for watching this video, and keep continuing this learning with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.